Go! Woo! Oh, she landed on her butt.
Yay, Peyton!
Oh. Yeah,
Wipe him off.
Ew.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, right. Just go. What the? Look.
Hey.
I have a brown mustache.
Oh,
Look. Mommy, look, I have a brown mustache.
I see that from the ice cream. Be careful. Here she comes.
I wiped it off with my hand. Yeah. One bite? One bite? Yeah. A little one so she doesn't choke. Yep. That's cool, Peyton.
Yes, are you all done eating?
Go! Yeah. Whoa!
Woo!
She landed on her
That was
butt.
fast, Peyton.
Listen, I'll show you how to find
Are you okay?
I'll show you how to find a tree. Like that.
Well, she's trying.
You put your feet out and stretch them out.
Go get your ice cream, Haley. Oh, wait. Can you get all your trash first before you bring up the ice cream? Get your trash.